Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup look. This look was inspired by BEATSBYDEB. She did this look and it's also on the cover of her makeup palette she just dropped a few weeks ago. So yeah, I did my eyebrows off camera already. Right now I'm just adding some concealer underneath my eyes. It's going to be down the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my upper lip. So yeah, and then also she did like the 3-step process and then she blended it out. So that's what I'm doing as well. This is my first time doing this method. I usually just do my eyes first and then I do my my foundation and stuff after that, but I just want to try it this way and I actually did like it. So yeah, so right now I'm just putting my foundation right now in the spots that I don't have anything on, and then after that I'm just gonna blend it out with my brush, and I believe this brush is from Eco Tools or something like that. So yeah, and also you will be seeing my little babies in the video, so sorry about that. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking and let the video play, and then I'll be back once I start on my eye makeup. And y'all, I know I'm looking crazy right now, but trust the process. In the end, it will all come together. Because I was getting a little scared myself, I'm not gonna lie, doing this method, but it did all come together at the end. It's just all about the blending the products into making it look effortless. So yeah. All right, so right here I'm just setting my under eye with some powder. I forgot the name of the powder, but I'm just setting my under eye and my chin area, my nose, and things like that. And then you'll also set, the other parts of your face as well. All right, y'all, so here goes the palette that I'm using today, and as you can see on the front of her cover, she has that beautiful look. So that's the look that I'm pretty much going for right now, and I just basically took that purple that she has in there, and I put that right there at the beginning of my eyes, and then after I place that purple, I'm gonna add the darkest blue that she has in that palette as well. I'm gonna add that next to it. And also, the whole time that I'm doing this video, I'm actually looking at her video that she did. So yeah. Now here is the blue that I'm using. I'm going to take that right next to the purple and just pretty much blend that out. So yeah, I was kind of nervous to even do this look. I thought it was going to be so hard, but it came out pretty easy for the most part. Now right now I'm putting she has a light blue color in her palette. I'm just packing that on top of the dark blue. I'm not sure if you could tell, it's like a light blue. And now right now I'm actually putting a pink. She has like a pinkish fuchsia color in there. I'm just placing that on top of the purple and basically just blend. All right, y'all, so I basically did my other eye off camera. So right now I'm just taking a white eyeliner pencil and I'm just like basically kind of cutting a crease, I guess you could say. In her video she actually used I believe Plan in Makeup by Yolando. She have like a base, like a white base that she used, but of course I didn't have it, so I just used what I had, which is the white pencil that I probably got from my local beauty supply. And then on top of that white pencil I actually added her white shade that she has in the palette. I kind of placed it on top of that pencil. And now right now I'm just adding the purple, that same purple that we used earlier. I placed that in the inner corner of my eyes and just packing it on until your liking. All right, so right now I'm just gonna add that pinkish color right next to the purple, and then I'm just gonna blend those two out until I get my desired look. And then after that I'm gonna add the blue at the end, the two blues at the end, and pretty much just blend it out. All right, y'all, so that was basically Plan in Makeup by Yolando times the Beat Down palette by BEATSBYDEB. And then right now I'm taking it's my Ray Ray palette, and I'm gonna take a highlighter that's in there right there, and I'm just gonna place that on the white part of the lid. In Deb's video, she actually used her, I believe her Miami highlighter, I believe. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm just gonna place that on the middle of the eyelid, and then I'm gonna place some on my eyebrow bone. Now is where you get your white liner, and this liner actually sucked. I had a difficult time doing this part because the liner was not was not working. So yeah, I'm just basically carving out that part. And as you can see, my face, I'm kind of like irritated with the pen. I'm trying to like make it shake. I don't know, make stuff, I don't know. So I'm still trying to make it like more vibrant, the white, because it's kind of like streaky. So yeah. All right, so I'm putting on some mascara. It's time for the lashes, and I'm actually using some lashes that I got from my cousin. She sells them. Her Instagram is yummy.styles. And yeah, I'm just placing that on there. And right here, I'm adding a brown lip liner on my lips. And I'm just going to do like a nude color. Just keep it simple since the eyes are already popping. So yeah. And this is pretty much the end of the video, or the end of the makeup part. I'm going to add some highlighter. I'm actually going to add that same highlighter I put on the lid of my eyes. I'm going to put that on my cheekbones and things like that. And then at the end of this video, I'm actually going to do my hair in this updo little style. So if you want to stay around and check that out, keep on watching. Thank you guys so much for checking out my video, and I'll see you in the next one.